Hola, mi nombre es Everest. I'm new to Spanish. It's been a couple of months, but I've been working pretty hard as much as I can. I got 3 kids, 4 dogs. I've got some businesses I've started from the ground up. And basically, if it weren't for the availability that Maripath has for me, along with the tutorials that she gives, and along with the care that she gives, I wouldn't have made it as far as I have. I've begun to watch shows and understand what is being said without needing English subtitles, and that's massive progress. I'm sending this to you so that you know if this is something that works. I'm not a paid actor. I'm not a staged presence. I'm an honest reviewer who has a busy life and honestly wants the best for everybody. Choose wisely.